There are lots of things to pack before going on a cruise. I know, as I have been packing for my upcoming cruise with Royal Caribbean. Today, I will show you a few unusual things that I have packed, which I think are useful, and I'm sharing that with you in case it helps. Coming up next. Hi, it's Ken here, and welcome to my channel, Ken Travels 360. I'm about to go on my Royal Caribbean cruise, and I want to share with you some of the things that I've packed that you may find useful. So, number one on the list for me are 2 bottles of wine or champagne. Royal Caribbean allow guests to bring in per stateroom 2 bottles of 750 ml of wine or champagne, and they must be brought on in the carry-on luggage. Unless you have a deluxe drink package, which is very expensive. Last time I checked, it costs around £75 per person per day to purchase that, and everyone in the stateroom has to get it. And they have to get it for all 7 days of the cruise. So you're looking at over £1,000 per stateroom to get the deluxe drink package. Paying for drinks as you go isn't cheap either. Most drinks are around $13 each plus the service charge, so it's a good idea to use your wine allowance to bring in alcohol. Remember, it's just wine and champagne. You can't bring in liqueur or beer. Okay, number 2 on the list is seasickness pills and or motion sickness wristband. Now, I myself am quite prone to seasickness. On my mini cruise from London to Honfleur, which you can watch from the clip up there, I felt quite nauseous in the morning, but luckily nothing happened eventually. But for a 7-day cruise, I'm taking no chance. I have bought some Sturgeon, which you can get from any chemist like Boots, and they're behind the counter though. They should be taken 2 hours before the motion. I've also bought some motion sickness wristband to take with me. There's a lot of debate about whether they work, but they're very cheap. I'll bring them with me to try it out. Okay, number 3 on the list, lateral flow test kits. Whether you purchase them or you might have leftover from NHS, bring some lateral flow test kit with you. Whenever I don't feel 100% or have a sniffle, I generally like to take a rapid antigen test myself. This way, if you feel unwell, you can test yourself before reporting to the onboard nurse. Okay, on to number 4. Number 4 are soft drinks and water. Like wine, soft drinks and water are not free on Royal Caribbean cruise. And if you want to save money, or if you have some specific soft drinks that you like, you are allowed to bring per stateroom 12 standard cans or bottles of soft drinks or water. Again, these have to be brought in the carry-on luggage. Next one on the list, number 5, medication. I think most people would pack some of these, but just in case you haven't thought about it, pack things like paracetamol, ibuprofen, Imodium, and also bug spray, and also mosquito bite relief cream. Some of these things can be difficult or expensive to buy. I am someone who can be the only person in a place getting bitten by a mosquito where almost nobody else does. So I always bring these things. Okay, the next item, number 6. It's not for me for this cruise, but if you are going on a Caribbean cruise, then you should bring your own snorkeling kits or mask. I mean, after COVID, who would really want to use a public mask that everyone has used before? They are not heavy to pack, and if you like snorkeling, it's just so much easier to have a mask that you are used to. And some people might prefer the traditional type. I myself prefer that, but some people prefer this type of full-on face mask. And while we're on that, don't forget to pack some water shoes as well. Sometimes walking around a rocky beach is quite useful to have this kind of water shoes. Okay, number 7 on the list is also irrelevant for this cruise, but useful for a Caribbean cruise. It's a waterproof bag that will keep everything dry for you. They are pretty cheap, and I suggest getting a couple of different size one so you can take the appropriate size bag depending on what you are doing on a particular port day. So these are the 7 packing tips that I just shared with you. Now, if you are a regular cruiser and you have some packing tips that I forgot to mention here, please leave a comment down below and share it with everyone. If you find this video useful, please support the channel by clicking the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel with notifications on so you will never miss another video from me. Until next time, I hope you have a great cruise. Bye.